Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Robinhood account statements privacy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Robinhood account statements, begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the person icon. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you find the account section. In the Account section, look for Documents or Statements. Tap on this to access your account statements. You will see a list of available statements and documents. Select the specific statement you wish to back up. This will open the statement in a new screen for viewing. Look for the Share or Download icon, usually located in the upper right corner. If you want to download, tap the Download icon. Choose the location on your device where you want to save the file. If you prefer to share the statement, select the Share icon. This will give you options to share via email or other platforms. Select your preferred method to share the statement. Once you complete the sharing or downloading process, you will have successfully backed up your account statement. Make sure to check the saved location or your email for verification. Repeat this process for any additional statements you wish to back up. Regularly backing up your statements can help maintain your financial records securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.